Welcome, everyone, to a new deep dive. Today, we're really going to get into the heart of the Apertum ecosystem. We're talking about its native fuel, APTM. Just like cities need electricity or our bodies need blood, every big system needs some kind of essential energy flow, right? So our mission here is to uncover that specific flow that keeps the Apertum blockchain ticking. What makes it work? What makes it unique?
That's exactly it. APTM isn't just some token on the side. It's really the fundamental energy. It defines how Apertum actually operates. We're going to look past just the code today and understand where it comes from, its different jobs, and really why it's built to be so crucial for Apertum.
Okay, yeah, let's unpack this then. So APTM doesn't just appear out of thin air. You're saying it starts inside DAO1 through these mining bots.
Correct. Think of them less like traditional miners digging for gold and more like automated protocols. They systematically emit and distribute new APTM, the algorithmic, designed for a predictable supply. And from DAO1, it starts moving on to the, well, let's call it the Apertum highway.
The highway. I like that. So Apertum is the highway and DAO1 is something else.
Exactly. Apertum's the fast, cheap, resilient blockchain and the highway itself. DAO1 is more like the engine room of the city, powering it. It's a whole DApp ecosystem with those mining bots, chain trading bots, other tools. And APTM, well, APTM is the fuel. It's the unavoidable link connecting and powering both. Oh, and speaking of DAO1, just a quick legal point. It's important to mention that DAO1 isn't available for residents in the U.S. or Canada. That's due to regulatory restrictions there.
Gotcha. Okay, that distinction between the highway and the engine room, that helps. Now, you mentioned APTM has this kind of dual nature. It's a technical need, but also an active market asset. How does that work? Doesn't that create friction?
It might seem like it, but actually that's where the real design insight is. It has to be used for everything on the network transactions, smart contract, you name it. It's indispensable. And because it has that fundamental utility, that's precisely why it functions so well as a dynamic market asset too. It's traded actively on DIGXs, on CEXs. The APTM USDT pair is really key there. It anchors the liquidity.
Okay. So network use drives market value and vice versa.
Exactly. It's a feedback loop. More activity means more demand for APTM as fuel, which naturally supports its market side. And the circulation is managed pretty effectively. Mining bots emit it, users distribute it through use, and it gets consumed in fees, staking. Plus, our chain trading bots help manage liquidity in what we call the community grid, making sure the fuel's always there, always affordable.
Right. So, okay, as this fuel is circulating and powering things, security must be absolutely critical. Can you clarify the difference again between the mining bots in DAO1 and the actual network validators? Who keeps the highway secure?
Absolutely key distinction. Mining bots. They are part of DAO1. Their job is APTM emission. They do not secure the blockchain itself. That vital role, that belongs to the validators. These are independent entities. Their whole function is securing Apertum, confirming blocks, verifying transactions. And Apertum uses the Avalanche Subnet model, which is great because it lets us have, I think it's over 10 independent validators now. That means real decentralization and dedicated speed and low costs. Not like sharing resources on a mainnet.
Okay, that makes sense. Validators secure, mining bots emit. Let's make it concrete. Walk me through like 1 minute of an operation. Say I want to get a chain trading bot on DAO1. What happens?
Okay, perfect example.
Yeah.
So your wallet creates the transaction request. It automatically includes the tiny APTM fee needed. An Apertum validator grabs it, verifies it super quickly, confirms it. Then our Explorer records it instantly. It's permanent, public. You can see the hash, where it came from, where it went, the fee paid, all transparent. All in seconds.
Wow, that's smooth. And you mentioned tiny fees, less than an SMS.
Yeah, incredibly low.
When you connect that digital fuel to actual people, the impact seems huge. We're talking like real benefits, right? A farmer selling direct, maybe. A student sending money without huge chunks taken out. Or creators launching NFTs without needing permission from some big platform.
That's exactly the vision. It's about building infrastructure that's genuinely accessible. For everyone, not just a select few. APTM makes that possible. And just one more reminder for everyone listening, this deep dive is purely for educational purposes. It doesn't constitute any kind of investment recommendation.
Right. Good reminder. So wrapping this up, what we've really seen is that APTM isn't just another token. It feels more fundamental. It's, like you said, the energy keeping this whole digital city lit, an unavoidable structural piece built right into Apertum.
It is. And maybe the thought to leave everyone with is this. What are the deeper implications? When you have digital infrastructure that's this essential, this cheap, and this open, what does that truly unlock for global inclusion, for future innovation? It really does change the game.
Absolutely powerful stuff to think about. And remember, if you want to explore any of this further, all the links and tools we talked about are available in the full legacy-wide text description.